So there you guys, the first one to take the challenge is my son. Show your t-shirt. He says he's in it to win it. So let's see. Going to start with cracking 2 eggs in there. You're going to put it in the bowl. You need to break it from the part where it is cracked. Yes. You did a wonderful job. Do the same with the second egg. Be a bit more careful this time. Oh. So he's done with the egg, and that's how kids are. So let the natural videos come in. Arhan, can you just check if there are some shells inside?
No.
Okay, now you add 2 spoons of sugar, please. Let's see what he's going to do with the sugar now. Be very careful. You need to take 2 full spoons of sugar. Can you please stop laughing and do your work? A little bit more. Arhan, can you add properly, please? Okay, so now he's going to mix that sugar and egg. Make sure you whisk it properly. Yes. You're doing a great job, Arhan. Try to mix that from the corners as well, please. Yes. Be a bit careful because that's a glass bowl. Yeah. Yes. Just do it a little faster, please. Give mommy a smile. So there he has mixed egg and sugar very well now. So Arhan, now you're going to add 2 spoons of fresh cream, please. Okay. Very good, Jan. Okay, then use the fork again to mix all that well, and keep this spoon here, please. Thank you. Okay. Mix it well. Okay, there the cream is mixed. So Arhan, now you're going to pour some milk, and when I say stop, you got to stop, okay? Stop, Jan. Everything very well, and make sure you're helping your kids, and please be safe. Okay, so Arhan, now you're going to mix a pinch of salt in there, please. Okay. Mix that a little more because your pinch is really very tiny.
This much?
Yes, mix. Okay, can you mix that well again, please? Thank you, Jan. I can't wait to see how it's going to turn out. Arhan, can you just turn that gas on now, please? Mine are not fire, it's hot plates, so it's quite safe, but please be careful when you're making your kids do. Okay, so Arhan, now can you add 1 spoonful of butter in there? Yes, add it.
Okay.
Add a little more because your spoon was not really full. Okay, add it. Use this spoon for help. Very good. Okay, now can you add a little bit of oil in there, please? Very little. Be very careful, and very little oil. Okay, so that's heated, and Arhan, you're going to put that on 4, which is going to be medium high heat. Okay, come back. And here you have those bread. Take those bread slices, dip it in this. Dip it. The other one too. Okay, the third one. Fourth. Okay. When it is soaked properly, can you flip that to the other side, please? Very good, Jan. You are doing a wonderful job. Okay. Very good. You take each one of them and drop it in the pan, please. You're not going to drop it from like a high distance or something. Put it in the pan very carefully. Yes, very good. The second one. Yes, very good. Can you make some place for the fourth one? You have to be very careful, Jan. Yeah, very good. Okay, can you just drop the fourth one in there? Did you flip this one?
No.
Yes, you did, right? In the bowl? Okay.
Yeah.
Very good. Wow, Arhan, look here. I'm so proud of you, my love. So that's cooking. His plate is ready. Arhan, can you just flip that around? Use this. Normally, we should not use this. We should use a wooden spoon, but you won't be that comfortable. So use it. Try to flip it very, very slowly. Very good. So he's flipped that and he's doing a wonderful job. Arhan, how do you like it? Are you proud of yourself?
Yeah.
Okay, so his French toast is done. They look more delicious than what I did. So decoration part I'm leaving completely to him. As I said, the kids have to be creative. He is going to do whatever he likes. And that's how he is doing it. I left it to him. Now let's see what he is up to. He's using Milkmaid there. And that's the shape he preferred to do. Leave it natural, leave it as the kids want to do. Let them enjoy cooking. And I repeat, please be careful when you're teaching them something in the kitchen. So that's how he is making his French bread. You can turn the bottle this side, Arhan, to be more comfortable. Yeah. He asked me to give him some cocoa powder as well. So let's see what he's going to do with that. So as we can see, he's spreading Milkmaid all over his bread. That's a good idea. Look at me, Jan. So now he's using that cocoa powder. He even asked me to give him some almonds. So let's see what he's going to do with that. He's sprinkling cocoa powder over that Milkmaid. Wow, that seems to be a brilliant idea. He's adding to the taste. So there, he's going to use some almonds. Can you pick that from the packet with your hands and use it as you want, Arhan, please? Oh wow, now he's filling in those gaps with dry fruits. He's making it healthy, beautiful and delicious. Wow, Arhan, I'm so proud of you, my love. Look at me. He's being so creative, and make sure he's going to finish the whole plate himself. Oh, there he's taking some more cocoa powder. Oh wow. There he's copying his mommy a little bit. Are you?
No.
Arhan's plate is ready. It looks beautiful. Arhan, can you take it in your hand, please? Have you got something to say?
Yeah. I've done my challenge. How do you guys like it?
He says he's done his challenge. And how do you guys like it? So, please, all you kids out there, take this challenge and let's see what you guys come up with. Say bye-bye, Arhan.
Bye.
Okay. So, all you beautiful people out there, stay blessed, stay beautiful. Try this out and let me know. Keep the post coming. Be happy, be safe. Bye-bye.